Niiefa-Energo is one of the Russian leading producers of electrical equipment for railways and electrical urban transport, electrophysical installations, general industrial and civil facilities. The company is located in St. Petersburg. The overall area of its facility accounts to 89,000 square meters. Our products are successfully used by the railways of Russia, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, Belarus, Azerbaijan and Georgia. The list of our customers comprises the underground networks of Ekaterinburg, Novosibirsk, Samara, Kazan, Baku, Moscow, St. Petersburg. A great number of companies from different industrial sectors and energy supply companies. For the Olympic Games in Sochi, we implemented a large redevelopment and construction project, building 9 traction substations on the railway section Tuapse, Adler, Krasnaya Polyana. Niiefa-Energo was established in 2000 under the auspices of one of the largest research and development centers in Russia, the Efremov Institute of Electrophysical Apparatus. It did not take us long to create a robust development and manufacturing base. We erected special production floors and sections and arranged the manufacturing process. When creating the Niiefa-Energo's production facilities, we took into consideration the latest technological trends. The use of high-precision die stamping machines and bending presses, laser cutting and water jet cutting machines, lathe turning and HPM machining centers enabled us to meet any challenges associated with the machining of the rolled section steel and sheet material as thick as 50 millimeters. All the operations related to the manufacture of parts and assemblies are fully localized. An automated polymeric powder application line is used to coat the surface of metal parts with a special corrosion-resistant compound. Before that, every part undergoes a 4-stage preparation process. The line maintains a preset polymerization temperature and the necessary coating thickness. Niiefa-Energo's portfolio includes more than 100 product types. We developed and widely use pre-assembled construction technology in electricity supply facilities. Those components that make up a substation are divided into functional units and modules that consist of an assembly of panels, components, the primary sensors and microprocessor controllers. All these components are integrated by the bearing structure, the power current bus bars and auxiliary circuits. The functional modules can be placed both in temperature-controlled containers and in buildings. Niiefa-Energo engineers key components and equipment. The range includes medium and low voltage switchgears, high-speed DC circuit breakers, VAB206 and VAB209 used on railways, undergrounds and electrical urban transport, DC-AC station changeover switches, rectifier and inverters for traction stations, semiconductor power converters. There are also dry transformers with different power levels and purposes in the company's product range. They are manufactured on a separate production site, fitted with cutting-edge technological equipment. Niiefa-Energo takes an active part in the processes of improvement and reinforcement of the power supply to the railway system. Thus, we have designed and have been supplying overhead network voltage conversion stations, voltage boosters to stabilise and rectify voltage in traction stations, and for the 27.5 kV alternating current sections, we have produced reactive power compensation and filtration units. The design of automated control and diagnostic systems based on microprocessor terminals for protections and programmable logic controllers is another sphere that is of particular importance for Niiefa-Energo. The research and development potential of Niiefa-Energo is based on its cooperation with the largest research and development centres, design offices and innovation companies. All the achievements we have reached can be attributed to our design and engineering departments. This is the source of new ideas. This is where technological advancement is attained. Those solutions that have been approved and all new products we manufacture undergo testing in our own testing centre. Niiefa-Energo has a separate science and engineering board. The members of the board are scientists, project leaders, experienced engineers who promote overall innovational spirit within the company. Niiefa-Energo owns more than 70 copyright certificates, patents and utility models incorporated in a number of manufactured items. The scientific activity of Niiefa-Energo is corroborated by its appearance in special periodicals and by participation in scientific and technical conferences. Niiefa-Energo actively cooperates with higher educational institutions in St. Petersburg, Moscow, Omsk and Rostov. The company has successfully introduced an enterprise resource planning system. This helps us to track every order, from signing the contract to facility commissioning. A whole set of documents is created based on the customer's specifications. Next, the specification is submitted to the production site. Here, all modules, sub-assemblies, components and functional units are assembled together. After assembly, they are put to routine testing on the test beds. Ready-to-use modules are transported to the commissioning site by rail or motorised transport. So, Niiefa-Energo is a turnkey supplier of electrical systems and components. We invest intensively in the professional education of our young specialists and the technological infrastructure of students' laboratories. Every member of our personnel regularly takes educational and advanced training courses. Niiefa-Energo is not going to rest on its laurels. What we have amassed, our rich experience Our policy of care for manpower and scientific potential lets us take the leading place in the race to the technological top. We know how to design, develop and manufacture high-tech products. The company is an active participant in special and international exhibitions, seminars, congresses and conferences. Products manufactured by Niiefa-Energo are rightfully ranked high among other electrical component manufacturers for railways, undergrounds and urban electric transport.